The one right below it says 50% of median income. The secret is this: the lower the income, the lower the rent. So if you're looking for the best rent, look for 30% of median income or below. That's the secret.
Isn't that the eligibility? Is that the rent, or is it like whether you qualify?
His question is this: in terms of the eligible. I'm sorry. 那他说你找到这个可负担的房屋啊，那这个月租费是怎么样的算？就是说，因为每一个地方算的不一样，有的是60%，有的是50%，有的甚至是30%你的收入。那所以呢，这位先生又问了，可是这个收入这边讲到的这个 percent 的收入呢，是你负担的月租呢，还是你才可以够资格来申请？所以妹现在要回答这个问题。If you go to page 8,
第8页
page 8 will provide you with the percentage of income, and that's the maximum. Then on page 9, you will see the rents.
第8页是提到说您的收入是多少，您可以开始申请。第9页是告诉您您的收入是多少的时候，您的月租就会是多少。Okay.
Does that make? I know it's a little bit complex and it's a little hard to understand, but I'm going to complicate it even more. Housing is very, very complicated. There's a lot, and that's why I was saying that I wanted to just show you. I don't expect you to absorb everything. There's even staff in my office that doesn't even understand it. It's that complex. There's so many different programs. The reason why there are such different rents is that a lot of it is dependent on the income source that is used to build the apartment. The Peralta development, we are partnering with the Department of Housing and Urban Development, and that's HUD. And HUD provides probably the best type of rental subsidy, because that is the one development that rents will be at 30% of whatever your income is. Makes no difference whether or not you're making $1,200 a month or $2,100 a month. It's 1/3 of your income, or even $600 a month. It's 1/3 of your income. 妹说她知道说在关于住家这方面实在是很复杂，那你不要觉得说很挫折，因为甚至跟她一起工作在市政府工作的人呢，有时候都还搞不清楚状况，所以呢你不要担心，这就是为什么我们在这里，为什么我们有这些义工来帮忙。所以如果您真的是搞不清楚的时候，请给我们一个电话，我们很乐意来帮你们。那所以呢，因为不同的单位它为什么有不同的 percentage 不同的要求，是因为这些可负担的这些政府的资源在里面。那政府怎么样得到这些资源？比如说开发商他们分摊多少费用，然后或者是有其他人的赞助，那因为他们得到的这个资源是不一样，所以他们的 percentage 就会不一样。所以不要担心，就像你抓住那个要点，你不要放弃，你就是坚持，你就是申请，然后你给你自己多一些选择。那如果你真的需要帮忙，我们就是在这里。Okay, do you have any other questions?
还有没有问题要问？
Okay, great. You guys are a smart group. All right, so I'm going to tell you about the senior housing guide. This housing guide is specifically a listing of senior development. And do you remember what I said earlier? Affordable housing is really hard to find. Guess what? It's really hard to get in these developments, okay, because they have a long waiting list. 然后再来呢，他要谈到了这个白色的这个传单里面呢，讲到就是针对老人的那个住家。
那记得一刚开始就已经讲了，非常的困难，就是比中乐透还要困难。但是呢，不代表你就没有机会，不代表你就没有希望。所以呢，你还是一定要继续。
Where can you get the senior housing guide?
Oh, the senior housing guide? We had some up there. We ran out, but you can download a copy from the city's website, okay, at www.fremont.gov.
一样很不好意思，我们这个单张册子已经发完了。那一样，如果您需要拿到一份这个 copy 的话，你可以停留我们的 table， 然后留下您的联络。那我们拿到了可以给您，或者是您可以上网上网站，那就是 www.fremont 我们这个城市 Fremont.gov 就是 government 政府，然后你进去 housing 那里。那你就可以看到，不论是这个黄色的册子，或者是这个白色的单张，您都可以看到呢上面所有的资料。
Okay, I'm going to finish off by telling everybody, or at least showing you, that the city has all of our services listed on this sheet, and included on this sheet is also our website address along with telephone numbers.
你们可以看到这张彩色的，那他要跟你讲说，这上面所提供的一些服务，还有是电话号码。
Okay, so are there any questions? They're over there. He asked if I had another copy of these, and please feel free to help yourself. Okay, thank you for letting me share information about housing with you.